We're going to start with the primer, Fenty Beauty. And then next we are going to go to the brows, Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony Brow Wiz. Next, we are going to carve it out, or clean it up at least, because they weren't looking that great, but we got it back. And now we're going to set it with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Tint Gel in Chocolate. And now for the eyes, we are going to jump into the Too Faced Just Peachy palette. That's a good palette. And then we're going to use the Urban Decay eye primer. Got my music in, girl. I am jamming. No, I'm kidding. I already know what song it is. Got all my brushes that I'm going to use. If you watch my videos, you know what brush that is. I just use it all the time. Just know it's my favorite brush. It's by Mikasa E300, I think. Link down below if you want a coupon code on it. It's a great brush. Like, do you see that blend? Do you see that blend that I'm doing, girl? I went into Fresh Pickled for the first one, and then this one is the It's the berry looking color in there. I don't feel like getting up to look at it, but no, it's the berry looking one to deepen it. And then I took the Fresh Picked shade again. I started blending it because my brush was wet for the berry color and it just left a mess. So I had to really go in. As you can see, my brush is really digging. Dig. And then for the lid shade, I'm going to use the Kilowatt highlighter by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use Chic Freak on the lid. And then I'm going to use Girl Next Door as my highlight, in the corner highlight, and my brow highlight. Because that's my favorites. And that's really just the only ones that I bought so far because I don't have any money to get any more. But I will get them sooner or later. You know what it is. And then for the bottom part of my lash, I think I already put my foundation because my camera overheated and it shut off. So my whole face is on, whole foundation, all that, contour and all that. Then we're going in with I know what it's called, but just know Fresh Pick is in there, and then the berry color, and then another color, but that other color didn't even show, so it doesn't matter. But that berry color, make sure you really get that, because that's gonna make your eyes look good, girl. You already know what I'm saying. And like I said, I'm gonna use my inner quarter and Girl Next Door. No, I use Chic Freak. Yeah, that's why I use Chic Freak. I use the eyeshadow brush because I feel like getting my highlighting brush. You can't even see my glow. I'm so disappointed in myself. Who do I think I am? I live for a highlight and I didn't put it on. This lip color is a no. I just wanted to see what it looks like. Do not judge me. Judge someone else, not me. But we're gonna use ColourPop lip liner in Jonesing, I think that is. Couldn't find a brown one, so I use this one. It's my always alternate. It might be gone by now. You know ColourPop, they be going in and out with their colors. I was And then we're gonna use a liquid lipstick from ColourPop. It's called Magic Wand. But I'm gonna put a gloss on it. I don't even really like that lipstick. I just use it because it's always there. But I'm gonna get rid of it one day. But I use a lip gloss by MAC in a pink color. And I just my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. You already know what it is. Like, I need to get 5 more of them real soon. It's such a bomb mascara. If you don't got it, you're like missing out on what? On a lot. Do you see my lashes? Boom. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Oh. Get that bottom lash, girl. Get them. See, look how cute I am. Gotta take my hair down. Gotta jam out now. What? Stop talking. Stop talking. There you go. It's going into these poses. Ew. Pose. Flip. Work. Shimmy nose. Okay, I'm done talking. That's the final look, you know. Hope you like it. Hope you like my retardedness. Let me not say retardedness. I hope you like my stupidity. Yeah, just enjoy them. Bye. See you later.